together here today. I would also like to thank the examiners and the audience for giving me the opportunity to present my final speaking examination speech. Today, I will be delivering a formal speech entitled The Role of Technology in Education. In the modern era, technology has become an essential and inseparable part of our daily lives. It influences almost every aspect of human activity, including communication, business, healthcare, and especially education. Over the past few decades, we have witnessed a significant transformation in the learning process. Traditional methods such as chalkboards, printer textbooks, and face-to-face instruction have gradually evolved into digital-based learning supported by advanced technological tools. One of the most significant contributions of technology is the increased accessibility of education. Online learning platforms enable students to attend classes from any location and at any time, making education more flexible and inclusive. This accessibility became particularly crucial during the COVID-19 pandemic, when millions of students relied on digital tools to continue their studies safely from home. Through technology, the learning process was able to continue despite physical limitations. In addition to accessibility, technology enhances the effectiveness of teaching and learning. Digital animation and simulations help explain complex concepts more clearly. Educational videos make lessons more engaging, and interactive application allows students to practice and reinforce their skills. These tools accommodate different learning styles and enable students to progress at their own pace. As a result, learning becomes more personalized and student-centered. Furthermore, technology plays an important role in developing students' creativity and digital literacy. Students can design presentations, create videos, conduct research, and explore various digital research that enrich their knowledge. These skills are not only beneficial for academic performance, but also essential for future career opportunities in a technologically advanced world. However, it is important to acknowledge that technology also presents certain challenges. Excessive screen time may reduce students' concentration, affect their physical health, and increase their dependence on digital devices. Moreover, the internet provides unrestricted access to information, including inappropriate or unreliable research. Therefore, students must develop digital discipline and critical thinking to ensure that technology is used responsibly and effectively. In conclusion, technology plays a vital and transformative role in modern education. It enhances accessibility, improves learning effectiveness, and promotes creativity. Nevertheless, its use must be balanced with discipline and responsibility. When used wisely, technology becomes a powerful tool that supports both academic success and personal development. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.